Maybe she got some friends. What's her name? What's her name? I don't know her name.
Oh my god, I look terrible. But I'm at London Bridge right now and I'm on my way to my hair appointment. You can't even hear me. My shadows there. I'm on my way. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like before. The front is a bit straight because I had it in a slick back. And the ends are curly. But yeah. We got started by washing my hair with a clarifying shampoo. This was to remove all the gel buildup, as you know my hair was in a ponytail before. And then we did a quick deep condition for about 20 minutes. And this is what my hair looked like before. She then blow dried and straightened my hair, and this was the result. Then it was time for the tape-ins from Curlsqueen.com. I got a kinky curly texture to match my natural hair and I got 80 pieces. Next time I would get 100 pieces though, because the front of my hair is quite thick. The next thing we did was section off my hair. So the entire perimeter of my hair was actually sectioned off. This ensures that when I style my hair upwards that the tapes will not be visible, which gives it a really natural look. Then to apply the tapes, they actually split off into two, so two sticky sides. And then you can just apply it onto the scalp, and then with what hair is attached, you lift upwards and stick the other remaining sides to make a pair, and you just line that up perfectly, and yeah, that is all you have to do. And then you can see my stylist just tightens them together using pliers. Once this was done, the tapes were then straightened, and I think this is where it makes a difference of having a tape that matches my natural hair, because it matches what my hair looks like straightened. So it was really seamless, honestly. The positioning of the tapes was also really important, and as you can see, she doesn't place them like too close together, and there's a gap, like a reasonable gap between like each layer. This process was literally repeated throughout my entire head, and yeah, I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of the time lapse. This was the final result. I was so in love with it, and she styled it in the side part for me, but it can also be put in the middle part. Just like that, we're done. I'm gonna insert TikToks. Oh my gosh, guys, literally the time. Babe, it's actually 1:35 in the morning. My hair is done. It's super cute. I'm in love. She curled it for me. This is the Silk Stylist. What I love about the fact that this texture matches my natural hair is that I can revert it back afterwards, but I feel like it blends really well. Like, it looks bro. A little side part for me because I knew I was gonna struggle to do it myself, but yeah, I can wear it in side part, I can wear it in middle, but I'm gonna show you guys all the hairstyles, and then obviously when I revert it, that'll probably be towards the end of the video, so keep watching, and thank you. So if you know about Costco cake, you already know the pattern, like yum. Anyways, I'll show you guys my hair in better lighting and all the clips and good stuff. So yeah, I'm about to wrap it up literally and go. So thanks, bye. Hey guys, so it is now currently Sunday, and I don't think I showed you guys when my hair reverted back to curly, but basically I went to a party and it was really hot in there, and my hair started reverting in the club. It was not cute at all, and literally when I got home it was like 5 AM and I was like washing my hair. It was super simple. I didn't get to film it obviously because it was so early in the morning, but yeah, it was literally just like washing my normal hair. So this is what the tapes currently look like. I haven't put any product in my natural hair, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it's come out when it's curly as well. It's literally just seamless and I love it. I'm gonna actually put my hair in a ponytail right now because your girl's going to the gym today, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put my tape-ins when they're curly, literally in a ponytail. It's honestly so easy. As you can see, like, the tapes are quite long. I'm gonna use this eco styler and my Curlsqueen brush, and then a smooth soft bristled brush, because I don't want to like put too much tension on my scalp with the tapes. But yeah, literally I'm gonna show you guys, it's so easy. Ooh. Honestly, it's literally like a longer version of my natural hair. So I'm out with some gel in my hands, and I'm gonna brush it together. Make sure there's no tapes visible. I can feel one kind of there. You can't see it anyways. Yeah, you literally can't see any tapes at the front, so that's great. I'm gonna do like a little bun, and then I'm gonna wrap this bit around. And there we go. We have a cute little top knot bun. It's actually not heavy, and I'm very surprised how easy that actually was. But this is what it looks like in a bun. Literally just so easy to put up quickly. As you can see, like literally didn't take longer than a minute, 2 minutes. But yeah, this is what it looks like. 1 second. One thing about my room in London, I always had the best sunsets when I was waking up. Like, you see in that? Love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Smile! What'd you do?
I'm sorry, I just need 1 minute to make sure I look good. Do you think I look good, Mr. Armstrong?
I hope you guys can see alright, but I'm really in love with how this look turned out today. Half and half up, half down really works. You literally can't see any of my tape-ins. The front is all my natural hair. This is my natural hair as well. But I could have taken tape-ins because the tape is literally right here. But again, as I said, can't see anything. Literally can't see anything, which is amazing. And yeah, just from the back, I wanted it to be really voluminous at the top. So I did fluff it out and picked it out a little bit at the top, so it's a bit more like fluffy. Cute, super cute. What else was I gonna say to you guys? But yeah, I'm just really happy with how it turned out, and this is the final hairstyle test, I think. Like, I could literally put all of the back up if I wanted to right now. I don't know back. The front bits, I tried my natural hair. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm really obsessed with how it came out. Love the results. But yeah, I think this is the end of the video. Big thanks to Curlsqueen for sponsoring, and make sure to get your tape-in extensions. They are honestly the hottest thing right now, and I know why. I'm gonna straighten them tomorrow, so I might actually show you guys that again, or not, I don't know. But they're super versatile, you can do literally any hairstyle, and yeah, I think it's cute, I think it's real cute. So I would really recommend that you guys try it out. Anyways, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.